We've come a long way from blacksmiths and cobblers. Today's mega factories are marvels of engineering, churning out everything from cars to smartphones at mind-boggling speed. But it wasn't always this way. Early factories were often dirty, dangerous places, powered by steam and sweat. Think textile mills during the Industrial Revolution, or the massive ironworks of the early 20th century. These places were the engines of their time, but they were a far cry from the high-tech facilities we see today. The evolution of megafactories is a testament to human ingenuity. We've constantly sought ways to build bigger, better, and faster. Over the decades, factories have transformed alongside technological advancements. From the introduction of the assembly line to the rise of automation, each leap has brought about greater efficiency and productivity. Just imagine Henry Ford's Model T assembly line, a game changer that made cars affordable for the masses. Today we're witnessing another revolution, this time fueled by artificial intelligence. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. The rise of machines in manufacturing is nothing new. It started with simple tools and contraptions, ways to augment human labor and make it more efficient. The invention of the steam engine in the 18th century was a pivotal moment, providing a new and powerful source of energy for factories. This led to the mass production of goods and fueled the Industrial Revolution. The 20th century saw the rise of electricity and the electric motor, further boosting factory output and giving birth to new industries. Assembly lines became commonplace, allowing for the rapid and standardized production of complex goods. But the real game changer came with the advent of computers and automation in the latter half of the century. Robots began to replace humans on the factory floor, performing repetitive tasks with precision and speed that humans simply couldn't match. This was just the beginning of a technological revolution that would forever change the face of manufacturing. Now, we're entering a new era of manufacturing, one where AI is taking center stage. We're not just talking about robots doing pre-programmed tasks anymore, we're talking about machines that can learn, adapt, and make decisions on their own. This is AI at its most transformative. Imagine a factory where robots can identify and fix production errors in real time without any human intervention. That's the power of AI. Take Tesla's Gigafactory, for example. This megafactory is a testament to the power of AI and automation. Robots work alongside humans, assembling electric cars with incredible precision and speed. AI-powered systems monitor every step of the production process, optimizing efficiency and ensuring quality. But it's not just about building electric cars faster. AI is also enabling companies to create entirely new products and manufacturing processes that were simply unthinkable before. Smart factories, smarter products, AI's impact on quality and efficiency. AI isn't just changing how we build things, it's changing what we can build. We're talking about personalized products, customized to individual needs and preferences. Imagine walking into a store and getting a pair of shoes designed and manufactured specifically for your feet, all thanks to AI. That's the kind of future AI is enabling. And let's not forget about quality control. AI-powered vision systems can now spot defects in products that are invisible to the human eye. This means fewer faulty products, less waste, and a boost to the bottom line. We're talking about a level of precision and consistency that was unimaginable just a few years ago. This is good news for businesses and consumers alike. The human touch, AI, and the future of jobs in manufacturing. Now I know what you're thinking. Mike, are robots coming for my job? It's a valid concern. With all this talk of AI and automation, it's easy to imagine a future where factories are run entirely by machines. But hold on a minute. While AI will undoubtedly change the nature of work in manufacturing, it doesn't necessarily mean robots are taking over. Think about it. As AI takes over repetitive and dangerous tasks, it frees up humans to focus on more complex and creative work. We're talking about jobs that require critical thinking, problem-solving, and good old-fashioned human ingenuity. Jobs like designing and maintaining those AI-powered systems or managing and overseeing the entire production process. As a conclusion, today, in the early age of AI, the future of mega factories is being written as we speak, and AI is holding the pen. We're on the cusp of a new industrial revolution, one where intelligent machines work hand in hand with skilled humans to create a more efficient, sustainable, and innovative manufacturing industry. It's a future full of challenges, sure, but also full of opportunities. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.